らみんな叶えてくれる不思議なボッケで叶えてくれる空を自由に飛びたいな
はいタケコプター
とっても大好きドラえもんとっても大好きドラえもん
Hey, what happened,
Arman, actually I don't know whether this question they want dAdx, dAdt, dy, dx or whatever, but I don't know what they want.
Oh, so you want me to show how to calculate it?
Yeah, can you help me?
Alright, of course. Question 13.1, isn't it? Yes, alright. First, the question say, suppose a farmer wishes to enclose a rectangular field using 1,000 yards of fencing in such a way that the area of the field is maximized. Let x and y be the dimensions of the field and let a be the area of the field. So first, the question say about area of the field. So we have to use formula A equals to x and y. We just put it as this x and y as an unknown, right? Rectangle, right? So this is x, this is y. Get it, Okay. Then in this question, it's given parameter formula for the rectangular field is 1000 is equal to 2x plus 2y. Okay, now what we have to do is we must make it as one unknown first. So this you can simplify it to 1000 equal to 2 bracket x plus y, and then we move it to here, so it becomes 500 is equal to x plus y. As I said, we want to make it as one unknown only, so we move x to here and becomes y is equal to 500 minus x. Okay, next, when we get this, we put it into this formula. Okay, I put down this, and then as usual we substitute it and become like this. So after you get this, you have to expand it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot x. Make sure do not make simply mistake. Alright. Then we have to find the maximum value of a. So what is for when the question asks the maximum value, so the ADX is equal to 0. So right as usual, the ADX equal to 500x. 500x. Oh, sorry. So a is 500 x minus x squared. Differentiate it, become 500 minus x. 2x, sorry. sorry again, and as I said, dA dx is equal, dA over dx is equal to 0. So yeah, just replace this with this. 500 minus 2x equal to 0, and then the answer you will get 250. Okay, now we have get the value for x, so we have to find the value of y, and then just put it into not here, put it into this, and then you will also get y is equal to 250. So that is the answer of this question. So x is 250, y is 250. So you understand what I explained just now?
Thank you, Aiman.
Okay.
I know we need to use the formula for area and then perimeter, and then we do simultaneous equation,
Yes.
and then we need to find dA dx is equal to 0 to find that maximum area. Yeah. Thank you, Aiman.
Okay. Bye.
Hafiz,
Yes, Naim.
I have a question that always have stuck in my mind. I
Oh,
make it,
okay.
I tried to make it, but I cannot do it. 3 days I tried.
For 3 days.
Yes.
Oh, it take very long time. Okay, proceed.
Could you teach me how to do it?
Yes. I try my best. Okay. Oh, this is about can. Okay. Wait. Meet up of 25.
One eternity later.
Now, so I will draw a can. The can is supposed to be like this, a cylinder can. So, firstly, we should find the surface area. The surface area. Okay, surface area for this cylinder can is for this upper part. The area is pi squared. Right, Naim?
Yeah.
Okay, and also have this part. Lower part is also pi r squared. So when we add up these two, it will become 2 pi r squared. Okay,
Oh.
and then we have to add with this part. Okay, this part, if I draw a can, is like this. A can, a cylinder can. When we open it, it will be like this, rectangular. So this is 2 pi r and h. Okay, so for this part is 2 pi r cross with h. Okay, this is for the surface area. So next, we want to know the volume. So the volume is, the formula for volume is volume equals to pi r square h. Okay. From this formula, we cannot differentiate surface area, and also we cannot differentiate volume, because we have two unknown, r and h, and also this r and h. So what we should do is, we have to make it as just one unknown here. Okay, so the surface area that given is 25.625 pi. So we here 25.625 pi equals to, we take this 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So from this equation, we want this value, h value. We want to find this h value. So h, so 25.625 pi minus with 2 pi r square divide by 2 pi r equals to h. Okay. So let me it easy. 25.625 pi over 2 pi r minus 2 pi r square over by 2 pi r equals to h. Okay. So it will be like this. 12.8125 over 2r and r here. This divide by 2, so 12.8125 r equals to h. Okay, so make it easy. We make it the denominator same, so it will be like this: 12.8125 minus r square divided by r. Is it right, Naim?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we find the h. So next step is for the next step is volume equals to 2 pi r square h. Pi r square h. Okay, so h is, we just take from there. Volume equals to pi r square bracket h is 12.8125 minus r square divided by r. Okay, so potong volume equals to pi r multiply by 12.8125 minus r square. So we just multiply this with this bracket. It will be like this. V equals to pi r, sorry, my mistake, 12.8125 pi r minus with pi r cube. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So from this equation we can differentiate dv over dr because we only have we just have single unknown. So dv over dr equals to 12.8125 pi minus with 3 pi r square. Okay, so the volume is maximum, so dv over dr equal to 0 because of the volume is maximum. Okay. So the next step is 12.8125 pi minus 3 pi r square equals to 0. So 12.8125 pi, move this to right side, it will be 3 pi r square. So 12.8125 pi divided by 3 pi equals to r square, and r equals to 2.07 inch. You get it until this part?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so now we have the value for r. So when we want to know the value of h, we just put this value into the equation. H equals to 12.8125 minus r square over r. This is from the previous equation. So just put it, the value of r 8125, r is 2.07 square divided by 2.07, and h we get 4.12 inch. So from the first step until this step, we get the value of r is 2.07 inch and h is 4.12 inch. So that's all, Naim. You understand this equation?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So can you try to simplify what I said just now?
Maybe I can. Oh, so we must find the all the surface area of a can to find to maximize the volume.
Yes, like that. So I see you understand the question. So I will proceed with my work and you do your
Yeah,
work.
me too, me too.
So that's all from us. Hope you guys enjoy and understand what we try to give. AKS.
Okay, thank you. Bye.